is all the tools I use. Enjoy the video. So welcome back to the mobile, guys. Today we will replace the coil to my Mazda RX8. I shared to you the tools at the beginning. That was a gift from my wife. Thank you to her. After remove the air filter, complete air filter, we will be able to access the coil. First thing to do, like here, you need to unplug the spark plug cable. Just be careful because they become very sticky on the coil. Just try to lift the rubber from the side, twist and pull it slowly. As you can see, mine, they were really bad. They were falling apart, and I had a very bad idle, but the car was driving spot on. Enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe. I would like to reach 200 subscribers with this video. Each coil is fixed on the rail with a 10mm nuts. After unscrew this, just be careful to let the nuts fall in the engine bay. You will need to unplug each of them, and even if you will never miss, because each spark plug cable is a different length, just remember how they were plugged and follow the same order when you put it back together. That's the new. Those are my new Delphi technology coil. Those they arrived from Germany. I bought from Autodoc, very good price, and hopefully they will last a while and they will give better result than the last one. Now one by one we put it back the new coil, and very easy job. Just they need to be plugged and bolted back to the rail.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Here you can see one of the old coil was falling apart and start to crack due to the intense heat, and I think the cheap quality as well because of the coil, because they were not original and not even a good brand. Now you can see all nice and clean. We installed everything back and fire in the oven.